The Howraghat Regional Council of the Karbi Students and Youth Council, in short KSYC, had expressed their displeasure over the election of President and General Secretary of the organization's Central Committee. They had demanded a re-election for the post of General Secretary. This was stated during a press conference convened by the KSYC Regional Council held at Dokmoka Forest IB on Monday. In the press meet, the regional council leaders had their strong resentment over the alleged faulty rule adopted in the election of the General Secretary. According to them, the post was contested by Jivan Bey and Bohiram Inghe. There were altogether 35 votes polled. After counting was done, both the candidates got 17 votes each, while one vote was adjudged as rejected as it had an overwriting. However, the rejected vote was later given in favor of Jivan Bey.
Three along kachidana bangke nitum KSYC Howraghat Regional Council pu tu bangke lake totally illegal lapen ada bangke corruption do pusin tu puthi kangtu athemane lake kumani phan ki jong ve mate sympathy thi pik ihi nat favor dam via son sin tum theklo sila support bangke tum ning duk piklo jong sila support cipakeng ke puten nitum ke bang jilangan ni bangke mission step nitum Howraghat Regional Council pe mission ang de mati claim nang niang deng claim nang kok sai jok je claim nang kok pu jong si la kengke putin itu mati mana bang ke lalo la secretary apo salong bang ke repool tuning mati fresh aku election conduct tuning pusi nile tum central committee la pen election officer tum han nang tum media pen si tuning rilo.
The Howraghat KSYC leaders say that the rejected vote should not have been given to Jivan Bey, but instead, the persons concerned for conducting the election should have gone for another method, that is, re-election. They had even said that if their demand for re-election is not fulfilled, Howraghat Regional Council will keep itself away from the CEC and function as an independent wing.
Election long bote met pula lang lila pupula. Doubtful la pen reject bote kaprek la boy phis ami hala alang ni tumbang ke theklor lo yala alang ni tum ke pulor la bang ki rejection balang ni tum theklong elo hala dak mai ko mahan ki jok ma ke theklong elo boy phis ami alang ni tumbang ni tum si dar decision enang pu la jok ti lu tu teli masi rong lo la ke alang tumbang ke first ni theklong lok lo la ke ko mahan si ki jok ma bo theklong lok lo alang ni tumbang decision enang lagi lete ko dak mai son ben bang tum chingba et bang si ko son si decision en mai man tuan ar du sar ben si claim mai sami hala bang alang ni tumbang theklong ba prang de alang ni hang claim tap claim pru ke chok ti alang ni tumake thik umat hoda ka thik lo elo mati di thik lo ti reject nang po ka pre ka pen step si la tuman deng thunang ko lipo hoda thik lo ko mas ening sam mati tai de bena pi la pen reject pot bang si en to det hoda ti thik long elo hoda ka tik long bang si la en de pi ke mayok ta rem dit ke mayok ta ning sam si lo ke claim to masini ning sam si lo jong se ni tu mana soa solution ba klang ke thik putin ni tung ke da ke duta do de HRC it KSYC Howraghat Regional Council ni tu do de ni tu mera soni pangtana pang tangte kaso ni tung independent do vek pola sinan tum handa nang tuning di no media true benta itu mage ninta duk pig lo la song ke claim ta kan pru ba tung accept sekte khai banji so de song ma mekani la pen claim te claim ma mekani ni tung HRC ben mai pul ni bang lan belo.
Samsing this report from Dokmoka, Karbi Live.